To install the OWASP Broken Web Application, follow these steps. Download the OWASP BWA. Download the OWASP BWA app from the following website. And click the download button. Once downloaded, launch VirtualBox and select New. Provide a name of your choice and select the type as Linux and versions as other Linux 64-bit. Provide around 700 MB of RAM and choose the option Use a previously created virtual disk file. Select the extracted OWASP web apps.vmdk file and click on Create. This will create a disk image. Now that the VirtualBox has been fully set up, let's launch the VirtualBox. Initially, it will take some time to launch. But finally, OWASP Broken Web Application has been started and a welcome message has come. The default credentials for the OWASP Broken Web Application will be username, root and password OWASP BWA. Now let's try to log in. Also remember that we have to keep the VirtualBox on a bridge network. So let's do it to relog in. As you can see, we have successfully logged in. Now let's do ifconfig and get our IP. The next step is to open a browser and put the IP as you can see, the OWASP BWA website has been loaded. In OWASP Broken Web Application, there are multiple intentionally vulnerable applications that a beginner level pen tester can do. A pen tester to learn from. Undo. A pen test to learn from. You could also try an old vulnerable site like WordPress to learn realistic boxes like Wixnium and DVWA.